Chapter 5: Formatting a PowerPoint Presentation. Applying themes. PowerPoint 2016 offers many built-in themes for the user to choose from. We use themes to make the presentation appear more creative and professional. Follow these steps to add a theme in PowerPoint 2016. Write any title for the first slide. Step 1. Click on the Design tab. Step 2. Click on the arrows to scroll for more theme options. Step 3. Select a theme to apply to the presentation. Modifying themes. We can choose different color options for the theme that we have applied. This option is adjacent on the left side to Themes option in the Variants group. You can move the mouse pointer over the different colors to see the preview in the original slide. We can click on the arrows to open the drop-down menu and explore other modifying options for theme. Changing the background. Follow these steps to change the background color of the slides. Step 1. Click on the Design tab. Step 2. Select the Format Background option from the Customize group. A Format Background pane will appear on the right side of the window. Select any of the fill effects that you want. Specifying alignment. Alignment is used to display the text in a certain position on the slide. PowerPoint has the following alignment options. Align left. It aligns the text to the left margin. Align right. It aligns the text to the right margin. Center. It aligns the text at the center of the page. Justify. It spreads the text evenly between the left and the right margins. Inserting Smart Art. PowerPoint has a feature called Smart Art. Smart Art is a visual representation of data in a different formats such as cycle, process, lists, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, and picture. Follow these steps to add Smart Art in a slide. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Select Smart Art in Illustrations group. Choose a Smart Art graphic dialog box will appear. Step 3. Choose a category from the left section and a design from the middle section. A preview of the layout will appear on the right section. Step 4. Click on the OK button. The Smart Art will be inserted to the current slide. Step 5. Click on Text inside the shape to enter the text. Shapes. PowerPoint 2016 offers a set of built-in shapes that can be used in a presentation. There are many shapes in PowerPoint such as circles, squares, rectangles, etc. We can add and modify each shape in terms of size, color, style, outline, etc. There are various categories in the Shapes command which we can browse to choose different kinds of shapes, such as basic shapes, lines, flowchart elements, banners and callouts. Drawing a shape. Follow these steps to draw a shape from the Shapes command. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Shapes command in the Illustrations group. A drop-down list will appear from which you can insert a shape in the document. Step 3. Choose any shape that you want by clicking on it. Step 4. Move the mouse pointer to the document where you want to draw the shape. Start dragging the pointer from one point and release the mouse pointer when you have reached the desired size of the shape. Word art. Word art is a collection of text styles that we can add to our document to make it appear more creative. There are a lot of special effects in word art that we can use in our document. These effects can only be applied when we use the word art option. Follow these steps to add word art. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Word Art option from the text group. A Word Art Quick Style gallery will appear in the form of a drop-down menu. Step 3. Choose any text style that you want. A text box will appear. Step 4. Type any text in the text box and just click anywhere outside the box. Let us recall. PowerPoint 2016 offers many built-in themes for the user to choose from. We use themes to make the presentation appear more creative or professional. We can choose different color options for the theme that we have applied. This option is adjacent on the right side to the Themes option in the Variants group. Smart Art is a visual representation of data information in a different format such as cycle, process, list, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, and picture. Word art is a collection of text styles that we can add to our document to make it appear more creative. PowerPoint 2016 offers a set of built-in shapes that can be used in a document.